The Tikom L9000 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a highly advanced cleaning device with 360-degree LiDAR navigation, enabling it to create accurate maps and save up to 5 of them for efficient cleaning of different floors. This device is a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping combo that uses the latest mopping technology with an electronically controlled water pump and adjustable 3-level water output, ensuring your home is thoroughly cleaned. With a strong 4,000 PA suction, the Tikom L9000 Robot Vacuum is more efficient than other similar products, making it easier to vacuum up crumbs from carpet fibers in a single pass, and is suitable for hard floors, tiles, wooden floors, and low-pile carpets. The device boasts a large battery that supports 150 minutes of runtime in quiet mode and has multiple protections for the battery, ensuring product safety, and it automatically returns to the charging station when the battery is low. The Tikom L9000 Robot Vacuum also offers convenient app voice control through the Tuya Smart app, allowing you to customize your cleaning by selecting cleaning modes, adjusting the suction water outlet level, and setting up virtual walls and no-go zones, and it can connect to Alexa and Google Home. Lastly, the vacuum cleaner can set up to 14 no-go zones with its sensor technology, providing safety protection for carpet, pet area, and children's play area, and its improved sensors help the robot avoid obstacles and steep drops.